Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to have fun with addition word problems. We'll read a story, find the numbers and add. Let's go. Robin has 6 cats. Tim has 2 cats. How many cats do they have in total? Let's add. 6, 7, 8. That's right. 6 plus 2 equals 8 cats. We write it like this. 6 plus 2 equals 8. This is called an addition sentence. When we see words like, in total, altogether, or, how many in all, we know it's time to add. Sarah has 4 balloons. Robin has 5 balloons. How many do they have altogether? Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 4 plus 5 equals 9 balloons. Emma has 3 apples. She gets 4 more apples. Let's add. 3 plus 4 equals? Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Emma has 7 apples now. Can you solve this one? Jack has 5 cars. Sarah has 3 cars. How many in total? Try it. Yes, 5 plus 3 equals 8 cars. Keep practicing, keep smiling. See you next time for more math fun. Bye-bye. Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.